Good afternoon to you, everybody. I welcome you on behalf of Lifelong Club Holidays Private Limited. My name is Ketan Jain. I'm professionally a CA also. I do my consultancy. Today I will be going to take 30 minutes of yours. Next 30 minutes I will be showing you the complete details on what is Lifelong Club Holiday about that, how you can be part of a Lifelong Club Holidays, and how you can benefit also. So we know that Corona has disturbed the life of everybody's professionally, personally, and we have to be staying in home. So by staying in home, we need to work also. A lot of jobs have, in last few months, if you see, a lot of jobs cuts has happened, layoff has happened, 50% salary cut has happened, businesses has suffered. So this crisis has given an opportunity. Whenever the crises are coming, the crisis also comes with an opportunity. If we take that opportunity for the benefit of ours, we can definitely come out with the golden whenever the crisis will go away. So I take this opportunity as is this crisis has given me a ample of good opportunities to work on. And if we open our eyes and open with open mind, if we look into, we will see a definitely a golden days coming ahead with this golden. So now the digital economy has grown, and we everybody knows ki everything has came up online. How you can work from home with sitting at home by just using your laptop and mobile. So in this case, a lot of businesses are happening, we can show. But today Lifelong Club, which is just started, it's a, you can, I can say it's hardly 45 days. So 1 month, 1.5 month small baby which is just born, and how you can take part in this just born baby and go to the milestone, I'll be showing you on that part. So screen is clear, you can see. So I'm welcoming you. This is started, this is as per the law, it is a legally formed company in Gujarat. Company's headquarters is in Ahmedabad. It's basically in travel. So traveling in India or across the world, we travel, right? So we book a lot of tickets, a lot of holidays everywhere through today we are booking through online also, Make My Trip or Go Ibibo, a lot of other sites. So how this company can benefit by booking travel and earn also. This company has come up with a unique idea. You book your travels and you also earn if you want to take part in the earning opportunity. So that is where the company's introduction came. Companies is travel is managed by expert people. At some point of life, all travels we are traveling. So we need finance, we need a lot of hotel booking, everything. We travel with friends, relatives, refer. And when we like something, we also refer, right? So if you like to travel, if you see today how the Make My Trip become popular, because we like some features, functionalities when you use Make My Trip. Okay, this has given good things, so we recommend to our friends and relatives and they also benefit. But when we take that opportunity, what benefit we are getting? Are we getting any monetary benefit from Make My Trip? Are we getting any benefit from Go Ibibo? Just think on that. So how we, this, that's where the holistic approach of marketing has came, which we call today's industry as a MLM industry as well, network industry. So when we do something good and we like it and we refer also, yes, this is a good opportunity, why not we refer it to our friends and relatives and give them the benefit. The company pays you for that incentives for referring and bringing them to their sites, and they also benefit from there. So that's where the direct tie-ups is there with the company, bookings, multiple options. So how it is started? It is started with company's mission of growing prosperity and together. So it's a teamwork. So together everyone achieves more. So company wants customers. So company wants if the customers are coming up and they are benefiting, actually they I am providing them services. So company is in the process of service, and with that services, if customer is bringing more and more customers, so why not I incentivize them? So that's where the company has come up with a unique plan of incentive earning. And travel industry across the year, if you see over the years from 2002, it's a $50 billion industry, which is from starting from $50 billion, today it is $1100 billion industry. Till last year's data, current year is the corona, so a lot of travel has not happened. So we can say that the industry has grown manyfold. You see 50 to 1100 is around more than 22 times growth in the travel industry, which is happening. Now, what is this company is doing? Say company is working you along with you as a partner. So when you be part of a company, you are a partner in the company. You book your travel, you pay advance, you refer for your friends and relatives also, and you can travel. You can travel and enjoy your benefits. But whatever advance you pay, company is giving benefit to you in return again. How it works? The company is asking you to pay 1500 rupees, which is an advance payment for your any future travel in lifetime. Not now, not future 3 months, 6 months, no time frame. Any lifetime you travel anywhere in India or anywhere in world, that 1500 will be adjusted or discounted in your travel. And 270 is the natural GST, government paid tax. So we are paying taxes to the government. So you paying 1770 and you are enjoying. You pack, you book, and company will do all the rest. Your flight, hotel, tours, local guides, everything. How the travel is booking. That's where one part is over. But now company has come up with a unique second part. Okay, when you book and you enjoyed also, and if you want to take benefit or earn from my plan, the company is distributing your 1500 back to you. Company is not keeping a single amount with you. How? See, 270 is a government tax, which is a liability to the government, so you need to pay. But then out of 1500, which is you paid to the company will pay back to you in 4 levels, in 4 parts. You can say direct sponsor, which is 100 rupees, in 30 level affiliate commission, which is 470 rupees, in magical round, which is 380 rupees, and magical rank income, which is 550 rupees. So if you count this total, it is comes to 1500. So I will explain you one by one how you benefiting this commissions and how this commission is coming back to you. Now, when you are a part of a company, you paid 1500 rupees. Company will enroll you as a partner, and company will enroll you in the business plan, in the business policies also. So in the business plan, company says, if you introducing and through your referral, if two customers are joining, two more people are coming up for to the plan, one left and one right, like this. So you introduces, you paid 1500 to the company, and you introduces two of your friends and relatives. One is like member A on the left and member B on the right. So now company get benefited because company got two more customers, and the company can advantage for their travels and everything. But company will start paying you your return. So company will pay you 100 rupees for each person sponsored by you. So directly on the level, and company treat this as a level. So it will be treated on a binary 2 by 4 level matrix. How it works is, you whenever you introduce any customers, it will be placed either on the left or on the right side, but only one side. So you will have only two position. You will be placing left A and left 2. So 1 2 position is filled. Your level 1 is filled. Now, when you introduce any third person, it will fall below level 1, which is called a spillover. Or if a level 1 customer, whoever is joined with you, and he also likes the idea and he want to place this, and he place you on his customers also, same way on 1 and 2, that will be your level 2. You are at the top. So your level 1 will be 2, level 2 will be 4, level 3 will be like 8. Like that, your levels will be filled up till 30 levels. Now, what benefit you are getting when these levels are filled up and the customers are joining with you? You get paid for each level and each customer becoming part of the company's network. So how that is working? On 1 to 5 level, so you have first level, as I mentioned you, when person A and person B joined, you get directly paid, direct response as 100. But on the level, you get paid 25 rupees per customer on their joining to you. That is at the first level, 1 level, 2 level, 3 level, 4 level, and 5 level. So how that 5 levels are working, you can see here. So level 1, 2 people, so you get paid 25 for each, so you got paid 50 rupees. On level 2, you are not bringing any customer, maybe level 1 person is bringing customer, but you have 4 people joining under you only. So you get paid again 25 for each. So you get paid 100 rupees. Now same with third level. Third level, how many people will be there? 8. So again on 8th level, you get paid again 25 rupees into 8, 200. So like that till 5 level, you will be getting paid 25. From 6 to 10 level, you will be getting paid 20 rupees each level. From 11 to 20, you get paid 15. 21 to 29 you get paid 10, and 30 level you get paid 5 per customer joining in your network. You bring, or it can come from anything from your team, but you will be getting paid immediate. So if you fulfill all the 30 levels in any time in future, whenever, total commission comes to you how much? It is 1612 cr, 1612 crore rupees. Yes, it is huge. 1612. Even if you achieve a 10% of this level, it comes to 16 crore, which is fairly feasible with the company which is just started in Gujarat, and it's a 1 month baby. If it is growing at the speed the way it is grown in last 1 month, I can see that potential. You can easily bring it out. And how much you paid to do? Did you invested anything in the company? No, you have paid zero money, but you are getting paid because you have introduced some few good customers to the company. They benefited, you also benefited. This is where you are working and you get paid. Now you see the second level. Third income, the first level is direct, second is the working income. Now third, which I am saying, this is the attractive point, because now after you introduce two people, two customers who joined with you have not introduced a single person, but you become part of a non-working income from the company's pool, which is called magical round. How the magical round will be working? Magical round has total eight rounds, and 8 rounds you will be get paid on the company's pool of network. So here you are not bringing anything, but the company will be paying you each magical round which is filled in your network. How that will be getting filled? Let's go explain that. So you are here, you bring two customers to the company, and then you stopped, you are not bringing anything, but you become part of a magical round since you bring two customer A and B. So on the magical round, when you are placed, system will do the job. So whenever company's pool is filling up with the people who have completed the two A and B, they will be filled on the magical round, and it will be going top to bottom, left to right. So in that position, when your three position get filled automatically by the company, by the system, you get paid 20 rupees for each ID. So you get paid on the first three level 60 rupees. That three becomes then second. On the second net level you will have 9. On the 9 people you get paid 40 into 9, which is 360 rupees. On the third level you get paid 130 into 27, so which is around 3900 rupees. So 3600 something. So how much you are getting paid, you see now. So your round 1 you get paid 3930. I hope it is clear. So you get paid for first 320 into 3. On second level, you get paid 9 into 40, which is 360. On the third level, you get paid 27 into 130. So total amount coming to you is 3930. Now, once you complete your first round, you earned already 3930, more than 2 times of what you given to the company through magical round, auto pull, without anything. Now you automatically will be placed in round 2. Same way round 2 also will work on 3, 9 and 27. Same 1, 2, 3 principle. But here the commission level change. On the round 2 you get paid 80 rupees for first 3. Next 9 you get paid 200. Next 27 you get paid 700 rupees per person. So your total commission comes to 20,940. And once you finish round 2, automatically system will place you to round 3. Same way round 3, your commission will be 1,26,000. Round 4, your commission will be 8,24,000. Like that, when you finish total round 8, your total commission at the round 8 is 217 crore 80 lakh 30,000. Yes. So this total commission, if you add everything, it is around close to 243 crore rupees on completing round 8. Are you working on any round? Any single round? Are you working? Not at all. This is completely filled by the company's pull system. So company is putting up everything. Company's whole business is falling under the magical round for across India or in future across globe. Anybody joining anywhere in the world will be falling into magical round on first come basis. So those who are at the top will get benefited a huge, and the amount, even if you earn 1%, 1%, I am not talking 10%, that is also 2 crore, more than 2 crore. Good amount to earn. This is your third income, which is company is giving you. Next, next is your fourth income, which is a magical rank income. I hope my voice is clear, right? Anybody can hear it. If anybody have anything on my voice is not clear, please let me know. Huh? No problem.
Clear, clear.
Yes, thank you. So fourth income is your magical rank income. How it is working now? If you are looking this as a good opportunity to work from home and you find it attractive on investment, you can definitely build the business along with the help from company and company's team. All we will help you out. So first level, how it works. Now you introduces two people, right? So you become part of magical round. Now once the two people also joins few more people, or you also join more and more people into the network, and your left become 26, right become 26. Whenever it becomes 26 left and 26 right, company will start paying you a passive income of 200 rupees every day for 30 days. That comes to 6,000 rupees. So you are getting on a star level 6,000 rupees as a passive income, and company also will pay you 2,000 rupees as a joining joining the rank. So when you started the rank with a star, you get paid 2,000 rupees, and then 6,000 rupees as a passive income for 1 month. Now you become qualified for silver. After star, second level is how you will become silver. Now that's where your level will be counted. So on your left or right, whichever. So if you have 3 stars out of 26 people who joined in your star, any 3 people who become star, and on the right side any 2 people who become star before, or it can be vice versa. You become silver, and company start paying you 500 rupees every day for 60 days. So your 2 months income, which is close to around 30,000 rupees, you get paid for 2 months, 500 rupees as a, and you automatically rank higher to gold. In the gold, you will have 3 silver and 2 silver on left and right, and company will pay you 800 rupees every day for 90 days. So you started with 30 days. Next 60 days you are getting paid 500. Again, in after the 60 days you are getting paid 800 rupees every day for 90 days. So that's where your passive income is growing. It will be not falling from 200 to 500 to 800. But after gold you will see a miracle, because once you achieve a ruby level, that's where your passive income grows manifold. So you get paid 10,000 every week for 24 weeks. 24 means 6 months. 6 months continuously, how much you are getting? 40,000 rupees every month. And when you become diamond, company is paying you 1 lakh rupees per month for 48 weeks, which is close to 1 year. So the whole 1 year you are getting 1 lakh every month as a passive income, irrespective of any person coming below or not after you qualify as a diamond. A 3 rupee and 2 rupee is already done, so you get paid for 1 year. When you reach blue diamond, company will pay you 2 lakh rupees every month for two years, almost 96 weeks. So you get paid. And last, when you achieve your president level, company will pay you a bonus of 1 crore 50 lakh rupees for achieving the president level. Now you can achieve in 1 year, you can achieve in 2 years or 3 years, depends upon our efforts and everything. But that working gives you the amount which is good, very good amount in shorter period of time. Company also pays you medals, award medals. So whenever whatever rank you are achieving, company pay you a lump sum amount immediate. 2,000 on star, silver 5,000, gold 15,000, ruby it is 1 lakh, diamond it is 5 lakhs, blue diamond 35 lakhs, president 1 crore. Over and above what you are getting with the previous slide which I mentioned you. So 1.5 crore you are getting from your passive income, and 1 crore as a lump sum. So 2.5 crore when you achieve president level. Now the real magic again comes. Since you qualified for star, how much you needed for star? 26 on left and 26 on the right. That is done. So you automatically pulled, kept by the system into a new non-working plan, which is a star VIP income round one. That system will place you again on a non-working income. First non-working you have seen magical round. Second non-working is in the star VIP round. That's where also a system plays. It is a 16 round pull. So on each round, which and how the round is counted, your each round will have 2 and 4. That's all. So on your each round, first 2 and then 4. So each person who is joining on your star VIP round, you will be get paid 1,000 rupees for your first round. So how many people are there in the first round? 6. So you get paid 6,000. Now when you completed 6,000, you will be placed to second round. Again in the second round you will have 2 and 4, but this time you will be get paid 3,000 per person. So you get paid 18,000. Third round you get paid 10,000 per person, so you get paid 60,000. Like that till you achieve 16 levels, you almost get paid 49 crore 50 lakh rupees at the 16th level. So this total income again comes to 100 cr, more than 100 cr. Even if you are achieving 1% of these efforts, you are getting paid 1 crore. So in each income level which I'm sure shown you here, even if you get paid 1 crore, you can easily earn 4 to 5 cr rupees in 1 year time frame. This is a lifelong opportunity available to you. The app is available in Play Store and App Store to download. You can just register, book your advance, and start. That's all. So always you are in touch. Company has a website, company's mail support, Facebook group is there, Twitter group is there. Anywhere we can join, we can discuss, and they can have all the questions are answered. Anybody want to visit also Ahmedabad, they can visit. They can look into the company's office, which is more than 2,000 square feet office they have opened in Ahmedabad. And one of our national promoter director who is there at present now, he already visited, he stayed there, and he will brief you about also. So this is about a short briefing of what the opportunity lies in a small business which is growing many-fold, and last 1 month it has grown very, very big. So I welcome everybody to take part in this and understand and start growing your business also sitting at home. So this is all small thing about Lifelong Club I mentioned. So I'm welcoming everybody to have any questions or answers to be questions. So please, you can definitely